Sacramento man convicted of kidnapping and molesting children now cleared for release unless the state steps in.
David Allen Funston was sentenced to multiple life terms in 1999. Now the sheriff is calling for a review under California sexually violent predator law before he's released. ABC 10's Nazi Javid is here now to explain.
Yeah, it's a big story, Chris. Laura, the sheriff was so disturbed by this decision that he called a press conference today with one of the survivors. And before speaking, he let us reporters review victim statements from the original cases. And I just have to tell you, the details were too disturbing and too graphic to share here on air. But they were indeed horrific. And now, under California's elderly parole law, Funston is eligible for release. And survivors say that should never happen.
What in the hell is going on in California? 100%. What is happening in our state? This cannot happen.
Sacramento Sheriff Jim Cooper says David Allen Funston was convicted in 1999 of 16 counts of kidnapping and child molestation for crimes committed in Sacramento County in 1995 and 96.
Lured them with candy, Barbie dolls, toys, and abused these kids horrifically. Horrifically. The youngest victim, 3 years of age.
That survivor, who asked us to refer to her only as Amelia, speaking out. We are not showing her face at her request to protect her privacy.
This man has took innocence from myself and others.
After a September 24th, 2025 hearing, he was granted parole. That decision upheld last week.
Judge in Sacramento described him, and I'll say this, as the monster parents fear most. Yet today, the parole board decided he is suitable for release.
Under Sheriff Mike Ziegler explained how the law works.
1/3 of our current child abuse suspects will be eligible for parole as soon as they turn 50. That's the problem with the law.
Retired child abuse detective Rafael Rodriguez worked the original cases.
Now, yesterday I'm reading the news in bed and I see Mr. Funston is about to be released. I was outraged. And when I read that, I was so angry that I cannot believe in this state we would allow that to happen.
He is a criminal child molester, dangerous, and deserves to spend the rest of his life behind bars.
But for now, it's unclear when or where he could be released. There is frustration, though, because we don't know what happens next.
No, that's so scary.
These monsters cannot be rehabilitated, and he does under 30 years, and now he's going to be on the streets in a neighborhood near you. That's horrific.
And we're talking about this elderly parole program. Just for reference, that picture we asked, and they said that picture of Funston was a current photo. Sheriff says his office is urging the state to initiate a review now under California's Sexually Violent Predator Act, a civil process that could result in commitment to a state hospital instead of release. CDCR records show Funston remained incarcerated in Chino. No release date has been announced. We did reach out to the Department of State Hospitals for what's next with the case. They say federal and state patient privacy laws prohibit them from providing any specific information about this case. Chris, Laura.